Alright, Jamaican international Jordaine Fletcher, a man that this or that sports TV would have said have to make the plane for go to Mexico. First of all, congrats on an amazing season so far in India. What is it like playing football so far away from home?
Well, it's a lot of pressure, but you know, we just have to adjust and do what we have to do, because it's not a big deal that we want to play in India, but the opportunity is there, so we just have to take it and make the best use of it.
And so far you definitely have been making the best use of it, just scoring goals for fun at this point. What do you say is the biggest difference from playing here and playing in India?
Well, more experienced player on a bigger level, better pitch. The player is not all that better than the Jamaican players, but they have more experience. That's the difference.
Alright, so how does it feel to get called up into the Jamaica squad and to play 2 games and to get 2 more international games under your belt?
Well, it's a great feeling because I've been working for it, so when I get the opportunity, I just grab with my 2 hands and do the best of my ability. Best to my ability, sorry.
Alright, so the coach has not released the squad for the Mexico game, but let's hope that you're in it. If you're in that squad going to Mexico, what do you think you can contribute to the national team in an important Nations League game in the Azteca?
Well, if I'm in that squad, it's a plus for me, and also I want to be in that squad because I want these caps, I want these highlights. So all I have to do is just take it with my 2 hands and do the best of my ability and score, at least try to score a goal.
Yeah, and that's what I was just about to ask you. You know, 1 more game in March. Will we finally see a Jordaine Fletcher goal?
Yes, of course. Long time now. No, I don't play for my country, so when I get the chance, I'm trying my best to score a goal.
All right, Jordaine. Good set of games, and
Thank
good
you.
luck on next week.
Thank you.